Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the LEGO Ideas Winnie the Pooh set. It came out in 2021. It has 1,265 pieces, a bit pricey at $160, but I'm loving the look of that beehive with the little bees. The look and the colouring of the box makes it look more of a grown-up set. That's why the 18 plus on the box. The back here just shows what's inside the tree. Love little Eeyore there. Okay, let's check out how to open this. Now this is opened a little bit differently. I see a very nice looking instruction booklet here. So the 5 characters that are included are on the front. We have Christopher Robin's map of the 100-acre wood. And what else? Oh, I see Roo there, but he's not included in the set. Wish he was. Love those beautiful drawings of Tigger and all the characters there in the bottom. So beautiful. And this is the designer Ben Older. So he submitted his original design, which is this one here, to the LEGO's Ideas team, and they came up with this set. So let's see how many packets we get. We get 7 numbered packets in this set. I've been wanting to build this for a long time, so everyone, let's build. Starting with Pooh Bear and his little red top. Wish the sides were printed, that it looked raised above his belly, and I wish they moulded his belly. That would have looked really good. And I need to give him his little red balloon to hold. So there he is looking gorgeous. Next is little Piglet in the different shades of pink, and he needs to wear his little red scarf. Love those ears. He is cute, and I love that he's got his little short legs. And now Tigger, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's got his little tail there. I am loving Tigger the most. His head's cool apart from that misprinted nose. Not happy about that. And he needs to have a little sack to hold. So I got to build this one here. Tigger's head mold is super impressive. I love the expression on his face. And he's got his big bouncy tail. Off you go here, Tigger, you stand with your friends. Oh, you're just too cute. And we have Eeyore here. Eeyore is one full mold, and I love the detailing on his face, like the stitches there. And he needs a little magenta bow there. Wish you had the nail that was stuck to the tail. But anyway, we have Rabbit here. His printing is beautiful as well, and his head's lovely, and he's got his little cotton tail there at the back. I love his raised little eyebrows. It just gives him an awesome expression on his face, and he's got his little carrot to hold. So here's the 5 characters that are included in this set. The build is finished, and here's the little book, and it shows Pooh on the balloon and the little log that sits at the front of his house. I love how this is built. These tree limbs are gorgeous. The little beehive is beautiful. I love that we get 2 of those. The little mushrooms at the front, so much detail. The tree root growing there. The interior is gorgeous. The bed, the honey pots. There's lots of little Easter eggs inside. Pooh Bear's famous chair. I love that it opens and closes so you can have it however you like displayed. Gorgeous little set. Like, it is really striking, the colour palette on this. I love the tree. Like, the tree looks beautiful, and I think all the characters here agree with me. This is definitely such a beautiful set to get. I love all the interior detail. It is so beautiful. And we have Rabbit and Eeyore sitting at the front with Tigger wanting to go inside. Pooh and my cat are having a cup of tea together. And me and Piglet have decided to jump on the bed and see how springy it is. The Lego Ideas Winnie the Pooh set. My favourite part of this set is definitely the tree. I love how that is built, and using those coral looking parts for the leaves, the different coloured leaves on there, the beehive. I love how the roof is built for this, and you got the little chimney coming out. All the interior detailing is so beautiful. I love that little entrance with the 100-acre wood map and the little mirror there. Oh, great set. Love the characters in it too. So everyone, get your bricks out.